Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is another one-stop watch video. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and those who watch and don't subscribe. You are still appreciated. So you guys, the summer garden definitely has ended. We're into the fall now. Stuff is really dying out. The potatoes and garlic are not. They are doing so well, you guys. Alright you guys, let's get into the cement. It still looks good. Alright, the ginger is up next and it looks good. Now in this video, I'm going to harvest the ginger, but I don't think it was ready. So the only reason why I harvested was because, see that dead leaf down there? That's the time when they say, oh, when you see them start dying out, that's the time to harvest. However, they were all connected. So maybe I could have like broke that little part off and harvest that and then kept the rest in there. But you'll see it at the end. Now the ginger in the bigger container, I'm going to keep in there until most of the leaves are pretty much died out. Moving on to the sugar baby watermelons. So you guys, this is all the watermelons that I have. They are small and cute. So yeah. Up next is the cauliflower and it's doing good. Coming up next is the kale in the herb garden, which is the only thing in there. Alright, let's get into this tower, which consists of habanero peppers and eggplants, and it's really coming to an end, you guys. Alright, moving on to the tomatoes that are left that is really hanging in there. If you made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing, and thank you so much for my day one subscribers and my new ones that's coming along. So let's get into harvest time. So you guys, remember when I planted the ginger root initially? It was a small piece and I put it in a small pot. So this is what I got. You guys, the ginger smelled so good. And I got back more than what I put in, so I can't complain. You guys, I forgot about one of the watermelons that was in another container because I have a total of 4. So I didn't get any footage of me snipping it, but here you go right here. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, click here.